Welcome back to AMTN channel part 2. So well-being, again we are coming back to the part 2 of well-being. So how to maintain our well-being? So before that I just wanted to ask you a question. I feel healthy, so it is not important to schedule a regular checkup with my doctor. So many people ask me, since I have the health background, sir, whether when I am alright, when I am perfectly alright, why should I meet a doctor? If I ask you this question, if your answer is true or false, so the answer is only false, because when you are healthy only you have to meet the doctor, so that if something goes wrong you can able to correct it. And many people ask me, sir, depression in older adults can be hard to detect. However, the earlier it is detected, the easier it can be treated. So it's true that because depression is in older adults, it's not possible to detect. So what are the symptoms of depression? If I give you 4 answers, so I just want you to think of the answer for this. Which of the following symptoms are depression? One is loss of energy, decreased interest and pleasure in usual activities, reports of pain, complaints. Suppose a person as he gets aged, he complains of loss of energy, decreased interest, reports of pain, constant pain, complaints of everything. So what is the classic symptoms of depression is B, that is decreased interest and pleasure in usual activities is a symptom of depression. So you must be familiar with this person because his name is one of the most richest person in this world. So what he says, when he was very young, God came before him and asked, I am going to give you a gift. And he asked the God, what is the condition? He said that this is the only car that you will have in your lifetime. He asked God, what is the gift? God said that I am going to give you a car. He said that, but God said that this is the only car I will give you. Since he received the car, what he will do is that he will read the manual 5 times and he will always keep it garaged. And even if there is small scratch in the car, he will go to the shop and get it corrected. And even you baby the car, because this is the only car that he will have it throughout his lifetime. So he will take care of the car very well like a baby. So this is exactly the position in concern your mind and body. You have got only one mind and body. So it is what you do right now today that determines how your mind and body will operate 10, 20, 30, 40 years later. The person is Warren Buffett. You must be very familiar with. He is one of the world's richest person, who says unless you take care of your body and mind, and what you are doing, that is you are doing a physical exercise, you are doing yoga, meditation, you are taking care of your mental aspect, you are taking care of your physical activity, is going to determine what your health will be after 10, 20, 30, 40 years later. So every day you have to take care of your health. So because why we should take care of the health, which is very important for you, I call it as activities of daily life. So if you see that dressing, eating, ambulating, toileting, hygiene, these are the basic daily activities that we have to do every day. Just imagine suppose you dependent on somebody to do this activity, like dressing. Somebody comes and helps you dressing, somebody helps you eating, somebody helps you walking, somebody helps you going to the toilet, somebody helps you taking care of your hygiene. So is it possible for you? It's not possible, because every day you have to do these activities. Throughout we live in this world, we should not be dependent on anybody for these activities. In fact, if we add these first letters, we call it as death. Because till anyone gets into that stage, that everyone has to do the following activities of daily life without anybody's help. So that my request you, if you take care of your health only, you can take care of these activities of daily life without any difficulty. So what is the recommended amount of physical activity for adults per week? Many people ask me, sir, how much time I should do exercise? This is 60 minutes, 150 minutes, 120 minutes or 90 minutes. If you look at this, what will be your answer? Just think of what will be the answer. The correct answer is 150 minutes of moderate vigorous intensity of aerobic physical activity per week. That is 30 minutes you can include it, because normally it's taken 5 days a week. So 150 minutes, 30 minutes a day. Suppose you miss 30 minutes today, don't worry about it. You can do it next day, 60 minutes. At least ensure that you have a physical activity of 150 minutes per week without any difficulty. So with this, we will finish this and we'll go to the third part of well-being.